You said earlier, sir, that the president promised yung families po ng soldiers na namatay dun sa plane crash a vaccine. Sir, we express condolences to these families, but is this tantamount with families skipping the line? And what happened to the government prioritization if the president were to continue doing this, no, giving vaccines to whoever he wants?
Well, I think hindi naman po nababago, no? Ang ine-expand lang niya ay kasama yung mga kapamilya ng mga kasundaluhan. And that's out of recognition on the part of the President na talagang importante po ang papel na ginagalawan o ginagampan ng ating mga men in uniform because theirs is the maintenance of peace and order in our society.
So, sir, just to clarify, he wasn't referring to just the families of the soldiers who died in the plane crash, but to all families of all soldiers in the Philippines.
I believe that is what the President said, no? As to how this will be implemented, it will still be up to the IATF.
Is there an idea of where in the prioritization sila? Kasi sir, di ba 5th yung uniformed personnel, so does that make them the 6th in line?
Hindi ko pa po sigurado, no? But as I said, I leave that to the IATF to operationalize, no? Pero wag naman po kayo mag-alala kasi sa ating initial list, 24 million ang ating babakunahan, no? If at all, siguro madadagdagan po ito ng mga 2 million if there are 3 members of family of the men in uniform, no? At sobra-sobra naman po yung inaasahan na nating dadating na bakuna by the 2nd or 3rd quarter of the year.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.